Good Thursday morning, everybody, November 13th, 2025. The word for today will be coming from Matthew 19:14, which says, "But Jesus said, Suffer little children, and forbid them not to come unto me, for of such is the kingdom of heaven." Mark 10:14 says, "But when Jesus saw it, he was much displeased, and said unto them, Suffer the little children to come unto me, and forbid them not, for of such is the kingdom of God." Luke 18:16 also speaks of children. "But Jesus called them unto him and said, Suffer little children to come unto me, and forbid them not, for of such is the kingdom of God." Please keep children in prayer all around the world because they belong to Jesus. God bless you and enjoy the day God gave you. Essie.